Okay, so we're about to start trading on the Euro USD on the 60-second time frame using ITM Saturn Pro. We have about 50 seconds left to the minute's expiry, and we're currently seeing 75% bullish probability. So we're going to go ahead with a trade and invest $100 in this particular trade. We're going to be trading on the time frame with high probability signals only, so 75% and above probability as indicated by these signals here. 3 green boxes indicates 25% each, currently bullish 75%, bearish 25%, indicating high probability 60-second time frame trades possible. So this first trade is in the money. Don't worry about fluctuations that happen during the trade's execution. The art of trading on any time frame is to wait for the time frame to complete expiration. In this case, if you're trading a 60-second trade, make sure you wait for the trade to expire before looking at the chart. Looking at the chart is just going to cause you anxiety and anguish, and it could stay within the parameters of being in the money. It could expire outside the money. It could be in and out of the money and then expire in the money. So you're saving yourselves some anguish there by looking at a chart on such a short time frame. 3 seconds left. We're in the money. That last spike looks like it did expire in the money, even though the chart's currently showing on the money. So we're going to wait for this to calculate expiry. I think it's going to expire in the money for sure, only because of that last spike up. So another trade with 75% probability going in for 60 seconds. Euro USD trade. We're currently seeing 100% high call option probability, and this trade has spiked up in the air immediately into the money. We have that other trade, as you can see, has expired above our market price of entry, so we're going to be seeing that update to give us $170 profit, and it has. So second trade currently in execution, 38 seconds remaining, currently seeing 75% to 100% high call option probability, going pretty strong. We're approaching a near-term resistance level there on the Fibonacci auto retracement drawn on the screen by ITM Saturn Pro. So this trade should be completing in 20 seconds and leaving us with a bit more room to travel up before we stall. So we have another 18 seconds left before expiry. This looks very comfortably in the money, so we're going to be winning this for sure. This first trade's gone in our favor. Second trade is going in our favor. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that should have expired in the money for us right there. Second trade in execution. 75% probability. 100 invested again. There we go. 100% high call option probability as indicated by ITM Saturn Pro. So we'll go ahead with this trade shortly as soon as this minute expires. We've missed the entry because with 30 seconds in, that is way too late to execute a trade. So we're just going to execute it just before the expiration of this minute or on the minute. Let's just keep monitoring that clock. 52, 53. We've got another 5, 6 seconds to go. Let's go ahead and place that and buy $100 investment into this Euro USD trade. Looking at 100% high call option probability. That pin bar signal you see over there is indicating a potential reversal, which means that even though we have 100% high call option probability, we are bound to see some fluctuation in this trade. So we're going to monitor that. The probabilities are outweighing the resistance there on near-term resistance on the 1 minute time frame, so that's a weak resistance, and we're most likely going to remain in the money and go ahead and complete this trade profitably as well. So as you can see, that resistance isn't holding too well. We're looking at some fluctuation here, another 20 seconds to go for this trade to expire, but the probabilities are holding up, indicating a very comfortable win in this trade as well, and is broken through near-term resistance, so we're safe. 100% high call option probability by ITM Saturn Pro. Third trade in execution that should be completing in our favor very soon. So an excitingly short session on the Euro USD. We'll be coming back with some more sessions on other pairs later on in the day or possibly tomorrow.